Have you ever wondered what makes a person a good leader? Is it a big body? Is it money and power? Or is it something else? Today, I will tell you a very beautiful story. It is a story about fear, courage, and a promise that saved a family. Let us go to a big green jungle where a group of animals is about to face a big test. Listen carefully, because the lesson in this story is very important for all of us. The ground shook with fear even before the danger came. Birds suddenly flew high in the sky. Monkeys ran fast through the trees. Even the wind gave a silent warning. In the middle of a big green field, a family of buffaloes stopped eating. Every single eye looked at one buffalo. His name was Bhima. Bhima was not the biggest buffalo anymore. His horns had marks from old fights. His skin looked old. But whenever there was danger, everyone looked at him. Why? Because Bhima made a promise a long time ago. He had said, "As long as I am alive, no one in this family will face danger alone." The young buffaloes believed him. The old buffaloes trusted him. Even the small baby buffaloes slept happily because of his words. But promises are easy to keep on peaceful days. The real test comes when fear comes. That afternoon, the smell of lions came with the wind. Bhima lifted his heavy head. "Lions," he said softly. Quickly, all the buffaloes came close together. The mothers put their babies in the center to keep them safe. Everyone waited for Bhima to tell them what to do. Then, the danger came. 5 hungry lions walked slowly from the tall grass. They did not run. They did not roar. They just made a circle around the buffaloes. The oldest lion gave a scary smile. "We do not want all of you," the lion growled. "We only want one baby buffalo." Everyone got very scared. One scared buffalo whispered, "Maybe if we give them one baby, the rest of us can live." Some buffaloes looked down. It felt cruel, but it felt safe. Bhima stood completely quiet. The lion looked at him. "You are old, Bhima," the lion said. "You know that to live, you must give something away." All the buffaloes waited for Bhima to speak. Bhima walked slowly to the front. Everyone stopped breathing. Bhima looked back at his family. "I gave my family a promise," he said. He looked straight at the lions. "And I do not trade lives." The lions laughed. "You will put everyone in danger for just one baby?" Bhima nodded his head. "If we leave one baby behind today, we will never trust each other tomorrow." There was total silence. These simple words touched every heart. The oldest buffalo came and stood next to Bhima. "I am with you," he said. Then another one came. "And me too." Soon another. Then another. In a few seconds, every buffalo stood shoulder to shoulder. The babies were safe inside. No one went back. No one gave up a life. The lions suddenly understood something. They were not looking at scared animals. They were looking at one strong, united wall. The angry lead lion shouted, "Attack them!" The lions ran fast. Dust flew in the air. Bhima put his big horns down. "Stay together!" he shouted. The buffaloes did not run away. They stayed together. When one lion attacked, 3 buffaloes pushed it back. When a lion tried to catch a baby, the buffaloes closed the gap. Again and again and again. The lions looked for fear, but they only found courage. Minutes passed. The lions became very tired. The buffaloes became stronger. Finally, the lead lion stepped back. He looked at Bhima with deep respect. "You saved the weakest," the lion said, "and it made everyone stronger." The lions slowly turned back and went away. The danger was gone. The green field was quiet and safe again. A young baby buffalo came to Bhima. "Why didn't you give me to the lions?" he asked. Bhima smiled gently. "Because a leader who saves only the strong people is not a real leader." He looked at everyone in his family. A true leader protects those who cannot protect themselves. Years later, Bhima became too old to lead. A new young buffalo took his place. Before Bhima left, he gave one last lesson. Strength will make people see you. Courage will make people follow you. But protecting others will make people trust you forever. The young leader never forgot this, and from that day, every new leader made the exact same promise. No one stands alone. What can we learn from Bhima today? We often think a leader is the most powerful person, but true leadership is not about standing above others. It is about standing in front of them during hard times. In our life, at work or at home, we must choose. Do we take the easy way to save ourselves? Or do we stand together and protect our people? Trust is built when we show others they are not alone. Remember, great leaders are not remembered for their power. They are remembered for the lives they protect. If you liked this story, please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories in simple English. Before you go, tell us in the comments, who is one person in your life that you will always protect? Thank you for watching, and remember, we are always stronger together.